Alright guys, it's Pennsylvania trapping here. I got another video for you about my trapping supplies. What I use on my daily adventures with trapping. I got a container of salt to keep the dirt from freezing at night. Also, you got your trap setter. You got a knife. You got my hammer. You got a little broom to flatten the surface out. Got my little shovel. Got my stake driver for my traps. Piece of rebar to help put the traps in or make dirt holes or like compass sets. And I got my dirt shifter. And I got a bucket. Now my next video will be on my baits that I use. Alright guys, this one's on my baits that I use. And I also got peat moss. We got some Hoosier Trapper beaver colostrum. We got some early season predator. Got fox urine. This is bobcat urine. Got some long distance. Predator magnet. And we got some finicky feline. These are the baits I use. And I also like mix meat in there too for the trapping line. And thank you and stay tuned and drop a like and a follow and a comment what you guys use. Thank you.